Welcome back to Learning with the Difference news headlines of 23rd April. And first of all, national news. PM Modi Boris Johnson set Diwali deadline for India UK free trade agreement. 18 more at IIT Madras test positive for COVID, 30 cases in 2 days. India recorded 2,451 new COVID 19 cases, 54 COVID deaths in 24 hours. Boeing plans to fly two Super Hornet fighter jets to Goa this summer for operational demonstrations. People in Delhi must wear masks in public places, the state government said on April 22. Indian jab in my arm. Boris Johnson praised India's vaccine contribution. Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister PEMA KHANDU showed his dance moves during the celebration of the ASSAMESE festival BIHU in ITANAGAR. And now some international news. Britain to reopen embassy in Kyiv next week, says Boris Johnson. Shanghai has been under lockdown for 4 weeks due to spread of COVID cases. British lawmakers consider banning medical supplies from China's Xinjiang. Taliban arrested suspected ISIS mastermind of Afghan MOSQUE attack. Australia has imposed fresh sanctions on Russia's Putin's daughters' senators. And now some sports news. ANSHU Malik to fight for Asian Championship gold. MANISHA to wrestle for bronze. English County Cricket Club Gloucestershire announced on Friday they had signed former Pakistan paceman Mohammad Amir on a 3-match deal. IPL 2022 Delhi Capitals coach Ricky Ponting to miss a Rajasthan Royals tie as family member tests positive for COVID. And that's all. Thank you to all of you.